This 30 to 45 second video is going to suffice for today's happy hour soundtrack, because what we're listening to here is the sweet, sweet sound of rain on our roof. Roof would be the carport. And this, as opposed to last night, is a very gentle rain. Not one of those violent cloudbursts accompanied with thunder and lightning and all that other sort of stuff. Nope. This is just a nice, gentle, steady rain. And we're loving it because it's nice and dry. Notice. Pretty feet. The dryness of our current perch by the veranda. So anyway, well, I said it was going to be 30 seconds to 45 seconds, and it's more like a minute and 45 seconds. But at any rate, we be done now.